From one mashed potato lover to another, this recipe definitely caught my attention. Chris, over at Chris Cook in Nashville, came up with a very unique idea, guys. And this recipe is definitely inspired by his carnivore mashed potato recipe. After watching different videos, I did see some resonating complaints. One, it takes a long time. Two, it's very complex and has quite a few ingredients. Unfortunately, I don't have time to make some of my own favorite recipes, so I set out to make the recipe less complex and much quicker. So here it is. Your first ingredient will be egg, and you will need 18 large eggs for this recipe. Now, if you have a pressure cooker, especially one with an egg setting like I have here, it's going to make it much easier. If not, go ahead and set it on your regular setting at 5 minutes. Now, normally I take these straight out of the hot water, cool them, crack them, and it works great for me. Go figure, this time it didn't work that well, but here's one that the process worked pretty good at, as you see here. Now that you have your 18 eggs shelled, you're going to go ahead and get these cut in half. A nice gentle squeeze should separate the egg white from the yolk. I'll use these egg yolks in another recipe using my new mayo recipe. But we're going to take our egg whites and give them a rinse to get any extra egg yolk off. Once rinsed, go ahead and add them to a mixing bowl. Then take 3 tablespoons butter, place it in a dish, and microwave it till melted. Once the butter is melted, go ahead and add it to your eggs. Now with your immersion blender, go ahead and start mixing this up. Now as you mix this, you want to start out pushing it down like this. So get as much of this mashed up as you can. Once your mixture starts to take on that mashed potato feel, then you want to take your immersion blender like this and basically make it your spatula, pushing your mixture down off the side of the walls into the center of the bowl. This will ensure a smooth, creamy texture and will also help you avoid leaving chunks of egg in your mixture. Unmixed egg, just like unmixed flour in a cake mix, will definitely affect your recipe. Now before the next ingredient, go ahead and scrape the excess off your immersion blender, then scrape the sides of your bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream to the mix. Look at how smooth it is already. Next, you want to warm 2 ounces diced up cream cheese in the microwave and add it to the mixture. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons garlic powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now make sure to mix it thoroughly till it becomes nice and creamy, just like mashed potatoes. Give it a quick taste test and add any additional seasoning. And this is what your outcome should look like. Nice, creamy, faux mashed potatoes. I will leave a link to Chris Cook in Nashville's original carnivore mashed potatoes in the description below. And if you haven't already seen his channel, go ahead and check it out, especially if you're carnivore. He has some very unique recipes. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.